Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to install the Dreamy Home app and connect your Dreame Aqua10 Ultra to the app. Okay, so to connect it, make sure that the robot is turned on first of all, of course, that it's put in the station. You can put it in manually, of course. Then go to App Store on iPhones or Play Store on Android phones. Find Dreamy Home app. As you can see right here, I have it listed right here. Click on open. I'll click on open because I already have it downloaded. I'll delete my device from the app so I can re-add it. Now it's important that you sign in because I think you cannot use the app without signing in. I'm already signed in, so let's add the robot. To do it, click on scan or add. To use scan, just open the lid on the robot and you'll scan a QR code. But I'll do add and I'll just find it myself because maybe you don't have the QR code anymore. So let's go to Aqua 10 series. I precisely have the Aqua 10 Ultra track complete, so I'll use this one. Now make sure the robot is on. Mine is on, you can see. But if it's not, press and hold on the power button. Then select that the robot has been turned on and click on next. Now, let's give it a moment because it's talking. You'll need to press and hold on both buttons at once on the robot in order to reset Wi-Fi on it. So let's do it.
Waiting for the network configuration.
When it says that it's waiting for the network configuration, you can go back to the app and select that you've had the voice prompt and click on next. Now connect to Wi-Fi and you'll need to go to settings, go to Wi-Fi and connect to a Wi-Fi that you would like to use. I'll do this one. You can see I have two networks of the same name and one ends in 5G or 5 gigahertz. You should use the one that doesn't have 5 gigahertz because 5 gigahertz doesn't work with the robot. But what may be helpful is if you is to know that if you have just one network, just use this one because but if you have two networks, use the one that doesn't say 5G or 5 gigahertz. So I'll use this one. I have two and I'm using the one that doesn't say 5G at the end. Now let's give it a moment. It'll connect to that network. Okay, let's give it a little more time. Now, once I am connected, I can return to the app and it'll ask me to provide the password to the network so it can be sent to the robot. Now, let's click on next. In my case, it generates a QR code because I selected the robot from the list. If I had scanned the QR code on the robot instead, I wouldn't have this QR code and instead I would need to connect to the Wi-Fi network generated by the robot called, well, in my case, this network looks like so. You can see Dreamy Vacuum something. I would need to connect to that. It doesn't have a password. So the phone can communicate with the robot and send all the Wi-Fi data to it. But I have the QR code. So what I'll do is I'll just place the QR code in front of the robot for a moment. It'll scan it. I'll try.
Start connecting to the network.
When it says start connecting to the network, I can select it here and click on next. Now it is connecting. In a moment, it'll tell me everything in the app and I'll be good to go. And as you can see, now it is all done. So you can use the robot. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.